The night Lina was born, the sky over the Glass Kingdom went completely black. Not a single star shone, and the silver moon hid behind clouds. When Lina cried, the crystal bells in the palace shattered. Everyone froze. A small black mark appeared on her left wing. It pulsed faintly, like it was alive. The high elders whispered,
"We must hide it. The mark awakens at 18.
If it spreads, the seal will break."
Lina lay quietly, unaware of the destiny already chosen for her. Childhood. Lina grew up on the edge of the glass forest. Other children avoided her.
Don't touch her wings. She's different.
She ran, laughed, tried to play, but they fled. At night, she stared at the dark sky. The black mark pulsed softly, like a heartbeat. Sometimes a voice whispered,
"Hello, Lina. Who's there?"
but only silence answered. Her guardian watched from afar, whispering,
"Patience, Lina. Your time will come."
On her 18th birthday, the sky darkened again. Lina stood at Mirror Lake. The black mark had grown stronger. A low voice echoed,
"Lina, the moment is near. Who are you?"
She ran through the palace. The mark pulsed faster, sparks of light flickering on the walls. The elders arrived, pale and tense.
The seal. It's awakening.
Lina realized this was more than a mark. It was her destiny. That night, Lina was taken to the Hall of Origins. Murals of fairies, kings, and battles covered the walls. She saw a shadowed figure kneeling with a black-marked wing.
This is the Hall of Origins. The mural depicts the prophecy of the shadowed wing, the one who carries the heart mark.
That's me! Long ago, the Guardian King ruled the kingdom. He was sealed inside a vessel, a child. You were born to hold him. The black mark is the seal. Memories flooded Lina. Battles, screams, broken promises.
Why me?
Because you are strong enough.
The Guardian King's voice echoed in her mind.
You are not my prison. You are my choice.
Lina's chest tightened.
If I release you, what happens to me? You disappear, but the kingdom survives.
Or keep me sealed, and the kingdom falls.
The black mark glowed brighter than ever, pulsating like the heartbeat of the kingdom. Light exploded. The kingdom went silent. When the dust settled, only one question remained.
If you want to know, did I save the kingdom? Write part 2 in the comments.